A struggle bus today, but that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything will be just fine, my sweet angels. It will. I promise. So. How is everybody doing? It's Jessica and this is JC Beauty. Show your support and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the little bell icon next to that. It's a little bell, click it, and then you can click it if you want to do all notifications or custom mode notifications. I would recommend doing all notifications. And also like the video. The support really means a lot to me and it really does help out a lot. Moving right along, we are doing a really fun video today. We are all literally like sitting around in our house. I mean, I still actually do technically have an essential job. I work in a dialysis center. I'm a dietitian, so I'm still working. So today I thought maybe I could share with you guys 5 products that I think have been really game changing, super nice, and pretty affordable overall. So let's just jump into the video. The first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this Winky Luxe BB cream. It's technically, I guess it's a tinted moisturizer, and they call it the white tea tinted veil. And this is the light tint. You can get this at Target. It dries down nice. It has 30 SPF. And you know what I've been really loving to do with this is to actually use this underneath my foundation, which I've never thought that I would be that person, but that's what I've been doing. $28 at Target. I mean, the price point isn't exactly fabulous. I have something from Sephora to share with you, the foundation that's actually cheaper, but this is really, really nice because I swear, it literally gives you like a really nice, flawless finish, although it doesn't cover up anything, so keep that in mind. But it like it's already as the lid flies off, but that's one thing. The lid is kind of like really crappy. The lid just does not stay on, but it dries down so nice. And that's my biggest issue with BB creams, CC creams, tinted moisturizers. They're always so freaking tacky that I literally will like itch my face and I'll have like scratch marks. So this one for me personally, not only is it giving me my sunscreen so I don't have to worry about it in my moisturizer, which I have a hard time finding moisturizers with SPF that I actually like, as well as foundation. So I get this underneath of it and it just kind of like acts as a nice like tacky base. So I would definitely recommend this. I have the shade Light Tint. I don't really love the scent, but it's not like bad. Some people on reviews you'll read, they said that they love it. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I would prefer maybe if it was like cake smelling, but we have another product that does. So let's just move right along. So let's move on to lips, just because technically I'm kind of lying a little bit, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not at all. Is 2 different products and they're both from the same brand. So technically it's like one, you have to use them both together. So what am I gonna say? Like, they have to be the way they are. So basically, this is the L'Oreal Paris Matte Lip Crayon in 3 Lavender Honey. First of all, it literally smells like cookie and cake batter mixed together with gingerbread. It smells like so freaking good. And it actually is a really nice product, but when I was getting ready for work, the entire stick flew out of this. Like I was just like, and then I like flew into the sink. I'm not even joking, I just picked it up and I'm just like, so just keep that in mind. This isn't exactly the most inexpensive thingamabob, but I mean, it's L'Oreal, so what do you expect? It's like $9.99 at Target, anywhere up to like $11.99, $12.99 at CVS, but CVS always has tons of coupons, so I'm not really worried about that. That's why I got it, and it just smells so good. It was a really nice, pretty like color. My lips are incredibly pigmented, and it just kind of like gives you like that nice like brown mauve tone, and I don't really believe in like only wearing certain colors in certain seasons. I mean, yellow to me is all about bright, hello, Easter, spring, so we're channeling that vibe, but we can wear like a dark lip too. We can do whatever we want. It's makeup, we're fine. The second part of the second favorite is this L'Oreal Color Riche Plump and Shine in Coconut and Plump. This doesn't even really smell like coconut, but this looks so freaking good, and it's a nude shade. This would be so beautiful on so many skin tones and so many like people with different hair shades or like whatever people say. It actually, and too, if you have pigmented lips like me, this will be great even by yourself on your own with nothing else underneath. But I really think that these really make a pretty combination These are my favorite lip products right now. So this is number 2. So the third favorite is my Sephora Matte Perfection Foundation. I bought this on a fluke and it was literally on sale for half off. It was $10. Like, you can't beat that. I have not found a full coverage foundation like this that sits so well on the skin. Now, I mean, I always prime and do other things. I mean, I don't just like slap it randomly on my face. You do need to be like careful, but you can use a brush with this. You can use like a sponge, but play around with it. I would just definitely recommend trying this out. Moving on to the brows. I've been loving the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from e.l.f. Anybody that knows me knows I'm obsessed with eyebrows, and I am literally on a journey for natural looking brows, and I just feel like even today they look better because I've been using this neutral brown shade from e.l.f. Don't throw away the lid, it will tell you the shade. I made that mistake before. $5 though. Back to the point of why this brow pencil you should buy versus every other brow pencil. There are so many on the market, and I have tried so many freaking other brow pencils, and I'm not really sure if I've just gotten better at using brow pencils in general, or if this is just like literally the best brow pencil ever, and it's only $5. Like, if you want to go darker, you can literally build it up if you want to. It's really challenging to learn as a person that barely has brows to how to actually make them and fill them in to make them look real. But I don't know, I just have so much control with this pencil. It does not freaking break. Fabulous. I love this brow pencil. Literally, this brow pencil is so freaking good. So good. Our 5th and final favorite product of recent is the Cream Shop Ultra Matte Translucent Setting Powder, which, first of all, let's just talk about how fabulous this packaging is. Birthday cake ice cream. Packaging, like, it's pink, it's shimmery, it's $11.99 at CVS. The only literal place I bake is here, and I do it all the way over to here, and I do it all into my nose since I wear glasses now. Bake it, you can bake it for a long time, and it gives you coverage too, like, and it works, honey. So those were my 5 beauty favorites of lately, springtime essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to show your support by subscribing to my channel, clicking the little bell icon, and clicking all notifications. That way you always know when I upload videos. With that said, thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, so the first product that I have is Pinot Grigio. I'm just kidding. Side note, over. Our first makeup product, besides our wine, is a little teeny. Ow. What I like about this is not that. We'll be cutting that out. This is more expensive. This is from Target. Oh, wow, now everybody's really gonna want to buy it, Jessica. Anybody that knows me knows that I drop things. Not right away. No. Skin tones. Paris. Cut. Covered.
Apparently the wind is too much.
What is it even freaking called? I'm not doing a good job at this at all, am I?